Few relations are incomparable when you evolve along with them, right from childhood through unforgettable moments and acts. Indeed, they are very special. So hello everybody, I hope you all are doing really well. It was another day, another vlog from my hometown when we few of our childhood friends planned something together, and I wish you all to be a part of this. So stick till the end and enjoy the video. I have always been a person who is very much inclined towards nature. Since it has got all the tune, your soul would live to rejoice. Moreover, the inspiration it possesses in, you won't find anywhere else. So if you can actually connect to this, kindly comment down. Let's connect a bit more. So we have finally reached. This happens to be Tengapani, a few kilometers away from where I reside. Basically, it's a picnic spot, so I hope you will enjoy exploring this place along with me. Chef for the day, Zubin knocking. Kiman bhat khao Zubin okole?
বহুত খাম ভোক লাগিছে
Eto amar mas, moromor mas.
হেল্ল' দেৰি হ'ব ৰহক আহক ভাত খাওঁ মই
Swasat, when is your next vlog coming?
probably next year
Ki koa be?
এনে কৈছোঁ
To bana be hosake. Roki kyo jao, consistency rakh.
ভিডিঅ'টা আহি আছে হেতা হেতা
বঢ়িয়া, বঢ়িয়া।
কৰি দেখালে
And sometimes when you sit and talk about all that you were from those days, you start realizing how lively you are and how long you have walked. I'd love to suggest everyone just sit for a talk with your childhood friends, and that feeling will be really different, something that is incomparable. It was indeed a really nice time spending with my childhood friend, and right now we are done with today's plan. So we had a feast out here all together. It was a really nice time spending with them.